On your mark, get set, go! Good job! Alright, on your mark, get set, go! Run, Sky, run! You're back? Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Mom.
So we at the choir. You're the choir even today and you're not in school? You say you're always a choir girl? Okay.
Mommy, I want to hear and there's a lady she's
Nana go and buy cake.
no.
So Nana reveal the cake. Reveal it. We hold it down now, I don't want to see it. Wow. It looks like kind of like a donut.
Yeah, but like huge.
Oh my goodness, what is this?
It's a lemon.
It looks like some kind of roll, like a cinnamon roll, but it's not a cinnamon roll.
It's a lemon Danish.
A lemon Danish?
Danish.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Alright. Take wait, yeah. Yeah, you can go. How it is. Let's give Nate a try. Nathaniel. Donut. You like it? Take a bite. Open your mouth and bite the thing. You like it? Tastes good?
Nate?
Sky, take a bite. My box outside.
Yes, Wagwan nation, Wagwan, we're there upon it again, you see me? As you can see, we're upon the road, we're there Portland. No probably I say, yo, we're there Portland so many times when I move down here, you see it? But now watch that. Probably we reach down here in the future when we get some real money, you see it, we can move that side here. But we're there, we say we are going to do some little thing today. You know, it's just a little vlog and nothing major, you see it? So, and Monique brother they here and things, so they here wait upon them so they might get everything ready. So we pick up and little sister and thing, so we can go all our vibes and chill and relax, you see me? Yeah man, as you guys can see earlier now, we did there Kingston and did leave them in a Kingston at Devon House because I did have to do a one job. Because I don't know, say straight transfer station business with them and thing. So if you're coming to Jamaica, you can also link us as well. Take you guys anywhere, so we do transportation. So now we reach a Portland and thing. And we get everything ready. And we are go head out. Them to them want go beach. So we're gonna do a beach vibe. So now I'm gonna do no cooking or nothing. Probably them to them probably gonna get KFC or we probably got Boston or I don't know yet, but you guys will see what I'm going. You see it? So I just stay with me. And remember, you know, people, just do the right thing, you know. Like, share, comment and subscribe. And tell a friend for tell a friend. You see me? Just share up the video, just share up the channel. You see me? And Just do the right thing, man. Help us get to our goal. You see it? Yeah, man. And not hard, and not hard for just press the red button and just subscribe to the channel. You see it? Yeah, man. Alright, so just go and watch the video. With the about. Subscribe. So yeah, man. See there we are get some jerk pork and some jerk chicken, and then we are gonna head to the beach. You see it?
So what are the chicken sachets though?
So yeah, man, nation, it's a good vibe. Pork bad, man. Someone them there in a car. Yeah. So I get kung soup. Sprat and jerk. So I jerk chicken. So pork part up this one. Yeah, I get the pork. See soup and
Just pork.
No, we have chicken and chicken sachets. Chicken and chicken sachets.
you want soup? Just chicken or just pork?
Yeah, we have chicken sachets ready.
Content John with them, I come to work, you know. I'm talking to you. You can grab them bag of right or something.
We have to jerk pork then. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe out here. See that Shrina? It's a good vibes. We have go and chill, so we just buy some pork and some chicken. Head to the beach now and go and swim and build a vibe. You see it? But you dead on it already. Yeah, man, nation. So we reach Boston Beach. You see it? So this is what it's like. So we got all our vibes. We got swim. So we are doing a little prep of the place. I'm gonna see what's going on. So here's the parking lot. If you come after 5, you can't park over here, but you can enter the beach as well, right? It's about $300 per person to enter. So over here you have the restroom area, and it's right close to Boston Jerk. So you don't know, so when you want to swim, you can come get your jerk chicken and jerk pork. So they have the restroom. It's also disabled person can use over there as well. Up there they have a chill spot. They can chill and build a vibes as well. Alright, so down here now we are head to the beach area. We're giving a little tour of the place. The guys see what it's like. The lawn over here is green and pretty. You guys can see the lawn. Now watch right here, so the little stone them. And thing is just a go now little. So over here, so when you come out of the sea water, you can come over here so, and wash off. See there no soap. Hello. So you can come here so and wash off, even wash off the sun off of you, even before you touch the water. You can go into the sea water, you can come here and wash off. So this is what it's like right here. The beach is down here now, so we're going heading at the beach and make you guys see what's going on. So just stay tuned. We'll go down to the beach. Right here, so you can do a little skating. So them have the skating rig right here. Yeah man, if you're good for skating, you can come right here, so come do skating. Right now we are head down to the beach. So you have them couple skateboard there. Right now we are head down to the beach side, you know. White sand beach. You have a coconut tree right there, so you have a lifeguard, and one coconut up on the tree. It's a family here. Say Anne Monique. Sky. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Yeah man. You have Junior.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Bye.
You have Tonian. Yeah. So they are visiting from the state. So they are just here chilling with us. And thing. Don't know, so it's a beach vibe, just how we set it up. You have Aliana and Niana over here to swing. Ali, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Niana, say hi. Just be careful. You have Jaden and Nate. Nate, wagwan. Nate enjoy himself. He's kind of rough. You have Aidan. It's a white sand beach, people. What going, Aidan? Big up yourself. The man enjoy himself. The man play nice sand. See people, it's a good vibe. It's a white sand beach, so they are going to head out in the sea and tell you a water feel. So I hope you guys enjoy what you guys see so far. And Nate, you alright? Yeah, come. Stand up. Yeah, Nate, have to swim. Come in. Tell them, Nate. Water nice. Woo! Jaden, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. The water is nice. Alright, stand up right there, so Nate. Yeah, the German. Mommy and Sky. Oh, what a pretty one. Say hi. Wave to camera, né? Yeah, the beach was nice and pretty, though. Fully white sand. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes, people.
Hello, bye.
You have in your earring?
Oh, God.
Huh?
Take time, Nathaniel.
Yo, me not catch that one there a while ago.
We have the money, so now play, man.
Yeah, the waves out here, they don't play. Yeah, man. We have to say people them, man.
Yeah, man, right, that's so nice.
Alright. Nana, what you have to say to them?
Hi.
Chat to people them, make people them know what I go on.
That's amazing.
What you say, Ali?
If only they never open, if they never last side of you.
The water nice, people. It's a good vibe. So if you're in Portland and you want a nice beach, a white sand beach, yeah man, just visit Boston Beach. You see it? It's a good vibe. Yeah man, good vibes. Watch it. Woohoo! Watch your wave. Watch your wave, watch your wave. Whoa!
Hey, Mercy coming.
Ready? Action.
Come on.
One more.
Over there.
Yeah, I don't know what. Come on, Daddy. 1, 2, 3.
So right over this side, you don't know, you can chill if you want to be. Over here, you know that full, because I don't know if it's because it's during the week, but probably on weekend, it probably will have a lot more people. But just take a walk with me. We just walk along the beach shore. Over that side, there's a little private spot over there, right? You have the cliff right there. But as I say, it's white sand beach. The beach is pretty, man. Yeah, man. Can see it's a good vibe. The beach is pretty. So we're gonna just walk further down and go over that side and let you guys see what they have around here. So you have a few people on the beach as well now. Not a lot though. But look. Alright. You know the thing. Let's try. So we just continue down on the beach. So as I say, it's just pure, it's just white sand beach. And only rocks here is these big rocks. No other rocks that you don't have to wear a sandals or a shoes here. Just walk strictly, no sandals, no shoes. Because the sand, as I said, white sand. Yeah man. You have a little spot around that side. Yeah man. So it's a good vibe. It's a good look. Yeah man. Come this side. Natives having fun with the waves. So if I watch them coming like this one, and him run from them. Yeah, waves out here are very strong. Yeah, good, you can do body surf. Look at this one. I'm gonna go closer to the wave. Check them. What you guys doing? Racing? On the race? Here they come. And Junior is in the lead.
Yeah, they're not even more.
I did.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to get all of the footage.
You can't float?
I say you can't float.
You can't float?
Me? Yeah man, an easy thing that man.
I'm not see a float.
See that? It's a record.
We can jump off.
Oh.
Can't jump off. Whatever this stuff.
Private property.
But Nigeria, well skilled man.
It's fun.
I like a bed there now.
Let me see if I can try it. So you can't just try man.
I've been a try from the idea, my knee.
Like make your body get light.
Let my body get light?
Yeah.
Why am I have them the skills there?
Your body.
She can do it. You can't do it at all.
Just like
You turn off. Think you turn off.
You not turn off. It's still a record, man. Watch Tony and
Let me show you.
he's the king of floating. Junior practice to float. I know you say you can't float. Oh, where the banana trash? I'm trick the crowd. Man say him can't float and look people. What's that? Hey, come here, say. May I say yo? May I say how you come from Poland and can't float?
I force me ever float. That's a bucket.
The man cool lie down. Alright people, Junior got bust a seal it. Hold that. One more. Bust a seal it to you people here. Watch it. See that people? Yeah man, that's how we play karate in the water. Yeah man. Cause me remember when I grew up and I go a river. And me and my friend them, that's how we fight in the water and I play karate. And seal it in the water. Yeah man, all who remember them things there, man, you can just comment down below. Sea lick. But we used to do it in a river. Alright, Sky? Yeah. One over here eating what's this, jerk chicken. It's a good vibes. Tony and having what you having, Tony?
Jerk pork.
Yeah, jerk pork. And you have some security guards here looking for their share.
With that video.
You don't know.
Nate is a zombie. Come in, zombie. Come. Zombie Nate, zombie Nate. Go into the ocean, zombie. Yeah man, nation, it comes to an end of our adventure. You see it, we do have a fountain here. It's a good vibe. We just asking you guys to just please Share up the video, like and subscribe, share with friends and family. Yeah man, we're out here. So thank you guys for watching again. On them over there taking picture and thing. We're pack up here now to leave and so forth. So big up on yourself. Yeah man, enough love and respect. One love, one peace, one nation, one yeah man family. Big up, we are outside.